Why Cosoloco? Because Cosoloco is all about making gifting an exhilarating experience. At Cosoloco, you'll discover a vast array of products spanning across 12 diverse categories, giving you the freedom to pick precisely what you desire. The frustration of getting the wrong shoe size, the incorrect ring, or the bag that's either too big or too small can quickly dampen the gift-giving spirit. Say goodbye to those gift-giving woes. First, Cosoloco gift cards. Now you can gift your loved ones the freedom to choose what they truly desire. Select the perfect gift card from our wide range of options, ranging from 15 to 300 euros. Once chosen, we'll send the gift card directly to them via email. All they need to do is click the link in the email, pick their favorite products, and enter the provided code at checkout. It's that simple. Their selected gifts will arrive at their doorstep within days, and you'll be the hero who brought joy and convenience into their lives. Second, free gifts. One of the most captivating advantages of Cosoloco lies in our exceptional free gift cards. The more you order, the greater the value of your free gift card. With a 69 euro order, you get a 10 euro gift card. Go bigger with a 99 euro order and you'll enjoy a 15 euro gift card. Go bigger with a 149 euro order and you'll enjoy a 25 euro gift card. And it just keeps getting better. A 199 euro order gets you a 40 euro gift card, and a 299 euro order rewards you with a generous 70 euro gift card. What's incredible is that these free gift cards can be used in two ways. You can choose to treat yourself to a shopping spree, or, if you're feeling generous, send the gift card to someone special as a thoughtful and customizable gift. Third, earn loyalty points. What's more, with each order, they'll accumulate loyalty points that can be redeemed for free products. By now, you've witnessed how versatile and solution-oriented Cosoloco truly is. It's time to introduce Cosoloco to your family and friends, and what better way to show your appreciation than by sharing the joy? Share Cosoloco YouTube channel. First, introduce your loved ones to the captivating world of Cosoloco. Share Cosoloco eshop. Next, encourage your friends and family to explore the Cosoloco eshop. So don't miss out on this opportunity to introduce Cosoloco to your loved ones. Share the Cosoloco YouTube channel, the Cosoloco eshop, and sign up to take loyalty points and full advantage of the Cosoloco experience. It's a win-win for everyone.